Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the incredible 2017 510 Sundancer. This boat is low hours and is loaded with options. First, we'll start with the hydraulic platform, which is great for a dinghy or jet ski you can put back here. Great storage on the transom for fenders and lines. Stepping forward into the cockpit, you have the optional teak upper. Great storage underneath your seats. You also have the grill built in here, ice maker here, and a nice storage area for your grill top. You also have a retractable sunshade here with the push of a button that will shade the entire cockpit. Nice large teak table and a great seating area for dinner. Freshwater shower built in right by the step. The optional stainless steel threshold for the door. Moving forward into the cabin, you'll notice the great countertops. These are an upgraded silestone countertop. On this side we have nice wine storage, trash can access, and a big pull-out fridge here. Samsung Smart TV to the starboard side. Moving interior-wise, you notice you have a great layout here, great seating area with a foldable table to give you easier access to get to this area. We also have retractable sunroofs and shades as well with these sunroofs. The two-person helm seat spins around to form a conversation pit in this area. And this boat is equipped with the satin walnut interior. Moving towards the helm, we have the new hybrid Raymarine touchscreens. You have double screens, so you have radar, fish finder, chart plotter, GPS. This boat is equipped with the Cummins 600 Zeus system, so you have the sky hook and autopilot built into your joystick control. Let's go downstairs and take a look at the interior. Now we're in the salon area, which is great because of all the natural light that's showcased through the open windshield above us. You have a large sofa to the starboard side with big windows. This sofa also pulls out and forms another bed. Main distribution panel is here, which gives you access to the optional satellite TV system, battery switches, keys, everything you need to operate the boat. You have great storage in this boat. Above the sofa, there's cabinets that run all the way across. Nice hardwood flooring throughout. Smart TV in the salon area, as well as a Bose soundbar. Going forward, you have a really nice stateroom with its own in-suite head and shower. You have a nice teak seat in the shower and some incredible tile in the flooring as well. Innerspring mattresses throughout. Great storage on port and starboard side above the beds. And it has its own entertainment system and TV in this stateroom as well. And this gives you your second access to the head on the port side. Moving aft, we have again the great silestone upgraded countertops here in the galley. This gives you a very nice finish. Good sized fridge on top and freezer on bottom. Wonderful storage above the countertops here. Convection oven, as well as microwave. The aft stateroom is accessed through this doorway. You have an optional washer and dryer. It's tucked away right here. Again, full beam stateroom with hanging lockers on either side, cedar lined. And it has its own in-suite head with separate shower aft. Again, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. If you'd like to take a look at the incredible 510 Sundancer in person, you can reach out to me at 910-200-9636 or see the boat on marinemax.com. Thank you.